Next week, the Government will adopt a new National Economic Recovery Plan, which will be about how we're going to rebuild the Irish economy and get hundreds of thousands of people back to work. And I think it's important to recognise the extraordinary supports that we have provided. We have brought the businesses that have been relying on our support and people who unfortunately lost their job as a result of COVID. We've given them a safety net. Announcement of the next phase of supports will be made next Tuesday, and that next phase will kick in July. But I wouldn't expect significant changes to be made in the very short term, because we are still in the recovery phase. We are reopening society and reopening different sectors on a gradual basis, and we've always said that we have to take account of the fact that some people, their job has not yet come back, and some businesses, while they may only have begun trading again in recent weeks, they're still vulnerable. They need government support, and there will be a significant extension of that support.